Alright, here's another video. This is Mr. Mohammed, and we're looking at linear programming, and it's a maximizing problem. So I was given these three constraints. The first one is y less than or equal to 5, and I plot that right here. It's the horizontal line shaded below, as you can see, because it's less than. And also the second constraint is x less than 4, which is the vertical line, dotted of course, and it's shaded to the left because it's less than. And y is bigger than or equal to negative x, and this line is drawn as a solid line, and I'm shading above because y is greater than, and it's like that. So this is the feasible region, and I labeled the corners A, B, and C. And as you know that the objective function is maximum at either corner, so we need to look for the corner that has a maximum value for the objective function. So first thing that you need to do is find the intersection points at which those lines intersect. So the first point A, as you can see, they intersect at 4 and 5, so that's the point A. So let's write that down on the right hand side. A is actually at 4 and 5. Point B is at negative 5 and 5. Point C is happening at 4 and negative 4. So these are the intersection points or the corners of this shape or that triangle. So you need to see which of these points give you the maximum objective function given as p equal 5x minus 4. So first you're going to calculate p at point A. So we can call it actually p of A equals, so you're going to substitute x's and y's of these points. So it's going to be 5 times 4 minus 2 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20 minus 10, that's 10. This is p of A. So that's the first value. Now let's do p of B. Now let's change the color. P of point B, the same objective function. B is x, it's negative 5, so it's going to be 5 times negative 5 minus 2 times 5, which is 10. So it's going to be minus 25 minus 10, that's minus 35. The last one is P of point C, becomes 5 times 4 minus 2 times minus 4, and that gives me 20 plus 8, which is 28. And obviously the highest value I got is 28 compared to negative 35 and 10. So that means point C gives me maximum. So I will choose point C to be my maximum value.